This is a review on the Y traps, which is Wasp-Hornet-Yellowjackets, and we're here in northern Utah testing it out. Stay tuned toward the end. If you like it, we'll show you how to put it together. This is when you take it apart. These are the pieces. I'm gonna take it out, give it a try, and test it so you don't have to, and then explain to you how to put it together where you can find it. Again, Y traps, wasps, hornets, and yellowjackets. We have a huge problem with paper wasps here in Utah. They're the yellow wasps that look a lot like yellowjackets. So let's go give it a try, and I'll assemble it, put it together, and show you the results. So these are the instructions that come with it. And for this Wasp-Hornet-Yellowjacket Y trap by Rescue, it also comes with sold separately, the trap refills, which has the attractant. It has attractant that goes in this bottom pad, attractant that you pour in the top reservoir along with water, and then it has a attractant vial. And these are omnivores, so they will be drawn to this, and in theory we will have a really good result, which we're going to check. And this is what you get inside of the trap. It does not give you these instructions outside. So let's see how well all of this works, and don't forget to stay tuned. We'll show you in less than 2 minutes how to put all this together, making it easy for you. Here we are, day one, just hung up our wasp trap. It's the Wasp-Hornet-Yellowjacket by Rescue, and we are testing. We will keep you posted to see where they come from. I'm heard they will come from a long distance away. They're omnivores, so they will eat anything. This has quite a bit of attractant in it. We will show you day 2 and 3, etc., to let you know how well these traps actually work. Okay, everybody, so it's been 10 days since we put the Y Rescue trap out to see if it would catch wasps in a wasp-infected area here in northern Utah. Let's go see how it did. So I attached it here to the faucet, and as you can see, there's essentially only one in there from 10 days of using this, and that just proves to me that it's not really always the best. I think there are environments where people do catch them, but my review on this, not worth it. In fact, my wife opened this faucet the other day, turned it on, and 10 wasps came zooming out. So as you can see, we just cut the faucet on, and there are wasps right down here that came out of the faucet. My wife's going to cut it on again to see if any more will come out. And yeah, there they come. And although that is the situation with wasps being in the faucet, they did not go into the trap. So, not the best for catching these little guys, as you can tell. That is our review on this trap. No need to give you instructions on it. We're heading back to the Home Depot to return our Rescue Y trap. For our bonus content now, even though this Rescue Y trap doesn't work well, I did come up with an invention. It's called a Wasp Call. So I'm gonna hold this up here, use my Wasp Call, and watch this here. I think using the Wasp Call will make this thing work.
Great sakes alive! Butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. Better than a wasp hive. Butterflies, butterflies, filling the sky. Butterflies, live and dance till the journey don't with theater. I'm there with your hairstyle, whisker. Bit ass out, watch you trying to hiss her. See it like this, trying to get took her. Woman walks up, she might look tall. Named Elizabeth, the only one step alone. Like, oh, you haul me on, man, roll me